Hey, have you ever seen a supercar on Indian roads? I'm guessing no. But have you ever wondered why? I'm guessing yes. Well, today we're going to find out. I'm Namas and this is CWCN, and today we're going to find out why can't you get a foreign expensive car in India? So why don't we get supercars in India? It's because of India's car import laws apparently. Foreign cars have to pay up to 100% import duty tax. Because of this, companies don't even bother to send their cars to India. India never got the Toyota MR2, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, the Subaru WRX, and many different Dodge cars. A side effect of this is that prices of cars which are already very high are doubled, making it impossible for someone else, especially in the middle class, to buy them. But that doesn't mean that foreign cars aren't available in India. In fact, other than Tata Motors, almost every other car company in India is based in a foreign country. In fact, it's possible that the car you have is made from a foreign country, and so are most of the cars on the road. As such, you can find Japanese and American cars at somewhat cheap prices pretty easily in India. So how can you buy an expensive foreign car in India? Well, there are actually two types. The first one is called a CBU, or complete built units. CBU cars are cars that are built and assembled in other countries and sold in India after importing them. These are the ones that you have to pay 100 tax import duty for and are really hard. And the second type is a CKD, or complete knockdown unit, which is assembled in India but the parts needed to assemble the same car are made in foreign countries. These cars are subject to as low as 15% import taxes. So while manufacturers do have to build a factory in India to make the car, they're still cheap to buy. Cars like the Land Rover Evoque, the Jaguar XJ, and the Renault Fluence all have assembly parts in India, which makes them somewhat cheaper to buy. I mean, yeah, I'm talking about Land Rovers and Jaguars here. Of course, they're going to be expensive, but at least they're built in India, I guess. But Indians do love foreign cars too. Cars like the Fiat Punto, built in Maharashtra by the way, the Volkswagen Polo, the Volkswagen Golf, and the Skoda Octavia RS all sell really well in India, with hatchbacks such as the Maruti Suzuki Swift being the most popular type of car sold. But there's a reason why the Indian government isn't changing this rule. The first one is, if less foreign cars, and before we start, let me just tell you, this is just my opinion. These are not facts, these are just my opinion. Number one, if less foreign cars are on the road, there's a fair chance that consumers will go to Indian manufacturers like Tata Motors, which would increase their business and grow the Indian car industry and the Indian economy. And the second one is, the import tax is really high, and that gives India extra income, because if you want to import a car, you got to pay a tax. So in conclusion, India doesn't have any foreign supercars because of import laws. But that doesn't mean you can't buy a good car in India. Thank you so much for watching CWCN. Like, share and share this video and subscribe to the channel. The link is down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Discord. The links to all of them are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.